Would you like to make money on YouTube like this and this and this? Well, stick around. This video is for you because I'm going to share with you 10 profitable YouTube channel ideas where you can make up to $5,000 per month without ever showing your face. Yes, this will take work, determination, and persistence, but it's absolutely possible. Once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program, and that's where advertisers pay Google to place ads on your videos, and then you get paid. I get paid every single day from Google AdSense. You don't need any prior experience, and all of this can be learned. And the content you use on your YouTube channel can be free, and you don't have to recruit anyone or sell anything. So if you're someone who wants to finally have financial freedom and be able to supplement or replace your income, this video is for you. But make sure you stick around until the end because I want to share with you some niches that you should absolutely avoid in order to build that long-term sustainable business. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Now, these are some really great profitable niches I'm going to share with you, but make sure you pick something you have a general interest in because you'll be creating a lot of content around this topic, so it just helps to have an interest in it. Okay, the first profitable niche is travel. Even though travel has been down with the pandemic, it's a topic everyone loves, so it will always be a profitable niche. An example of a channel in this niche is Scary Harry, interesting name for a channel. But on this channel, they talk about things related to travel, most expensive cities to live in, cheapest cities to live in, best countries to retire in. But on this channel, they talk about things related to travel, most expensive cities to live in, cheapest cities to live in, best countries to retire in. And those are topics people would be interested in learning about. As you can see, their videos have a script, a voiceover, and video stock footage. They never show their face. This channel is gaining over 5,000 subscribers a month, and their most popular video has almost 2 million views. Their channel gets 1 million views a month, and you can see by their Social Blade stats, they earn up to $3,800 a month from ad revenue alone. Okay, the next profitable niche is science. This is a really interesting niche to get into. An example of a profitable channel in this niche is What If. And you can see their videos, they're talking about what if topics about science, and the videos again have a script, voiceover, and stock video footage. This channel gains around 130 subscribers a month and has over 573 million views on the channel since it was created in 2018. And you can see from their Social Blade stats, they earn up to $77,000 a month from ad revenue alone. And in case you're not familiar with this, when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program. That's where advertisers pay to place ads on your videos, and then Google pays you. So you can see this ad revenue can definitely add up, especially when you have videos with a lot of views. Like if we search by most popular, you can see their most viewed video has over 15 million views. The next profitable niche is make money online. So yes, you can make a profitable niche without showing your face in this niche, which a lot of people ask me. An example of a profitable channel in this niche is Top Wealth Secrets. And you can see they talk about topics around make money online, and they never show their face. They use a script, a voiceover, video stock footage, and a screen share just to demonstrate what they're talking about. And this channel gains over 7,000 subscribers a month. And if we take a look at their most popular video in the make money online niche, it has over 364,000 views. It looks like they have changed their niche since they started the channel. So if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see they make up to $1,400 per month. And you might be saying, well, that's not much money, but it looks like this channel did change their niche and they began posting make money online videos about a year ago. And in my experience, Social Blade stats tend to be way higher than what it estimates. For example, I know someone who makes over $12,000 a month, and their Social Blade stats show she makes around $1,000 a month. So we can assume some of these channels are making more than their Social Blade stats show. Oh, and by the way, if you're really serious about building a long-term sustainable business without ever showing your face on YouTube, I do have a free masterclass. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. Go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. Okay, the next profitable niche is lucid dreaming. So what exactly is lucid dreaming? The definition is lucid dreams are when you know you're dreaming while you're asleep. You're aware that the events flashing through your brain aren't really happening, but the dream feels vivid and real. You may be able to control how the action unfolds as if you're directing a movie in your sleep. So studies suggest that about half of people have had at least one lucid dream, but they probably don't happen often, usually only a handful of times in a year. So an example of a profitable channel in this niche is Explore Lucid Dreaming. And of course, this is all about lucid dreaming topics, and they use a script, voiceover, and video stock footage, and they have some animation in their videos. They gain around 31,000 subscribers a month, and they have over 2 million views a month. And their most popular video, 13 Things You Should Never Do in Lucid Dreams, has gotten 7.5 million views. So you can see that lucid dreams is a very popular topic. And if we take a look at their social play stats, they make up to $9,000 per month or more. So it's a very, very interesting, profitable niche. The next niche is history. So if you're a history buff, this would be a great niche to get into. Me, it was my worst subject and I have no interest at all in this. But nonetheless, it's a very profitable niche. An example of a channel in this niche is Simple History, and their videos are about very interesting topics in history. They actually use an animation software, a script, and a voiceover. And they are monetizing in addition to Google AdSense revenue through sponsorships. And that's where companies will pay for them to mention their product in their videos, and they get paid to create the video. And they are also using affiliate links in the description of their videos as well. And if we take a look at their social play stats, we can see they make up to $72,000 a month. Who knew a subject you might not have been good at in school could make you that kind of money, right? That is really awesome. So the next profitable niche is health, and this of course will always be something people are interested in improving. I've been in the healthcare field for 30 years, so this would actually be a good niche for me to get into. But an example of a profitable channel in this niche is called Natural Ways. And on this channel, again, they never show their face, and they use a script, voiceover, and video stock footage. They gain 10,000 subscribers a month and have over 1.7 million views a month. And you can see their most popular video has 18 million views, 6 things you should never do after eating. And that's only a 3-minute video. I do want to say from the beginning, you should have videos at least 8 minutes long, because then ads can be placed in the middle of your videos and not just at the beginning and end. And that way you can earn a lot more money with Google AdSense. And if we take a look at their social play stats, you can see they make up to $6,000 per month or more. The next profitable niche is one of my favorites, the animal niche. And an example of a channel in this niche is Smart Dog Lover. And I did want to mention, besides making money with Google AdSense, they are most likely making affiliate commissions with the ClickBank product and Amazon products in the description of their videos. Because if we take a look at this video, you can see in the description, if you click right here, it takes you to a ClickBank product about how to train your dog. And if we scroll down further, you can see all of these are Amazon affiliate links. So if people purchase this product, they earn a commission. They gain 2,400 subscribers a month, and their most popular video has 767,000 views, and they get over 2 million views a month. And their social play stats show they make around $2,000 or more a month. And as you can see, their videos are all about interesting information about dogs that people are already searching for, and they have a script, a voiceover, and video stock footage. The next profitable niche is the psychology niche. An example of this niche is Exposing the Narcissist. And they're really smart because this is very niche specific, and there are people out there searching for this topic all the time. So when you're very niche specific with your choice of a YouTube channel, it makes it easier for Google to place ads on your videos, and you could potentially make more money. They gain around 2,000 subscribers a month and have over 1 million views a month. And their videos are, of course, about different topics around discovering if someone is a narcissist or not and how to deal with a narcissist. And they use slideshows and video stock footage with a script and a voiceover. And their social play stats show they make over $1,000 a month, but this is definitely a very profitable niche. The next profitable niche is the Carnage, and an example channel is Modern Muscle. So if we take a look at this channel, we can see they get 3,000 subscribers a month, and their most popular video has over 8 million views. Their videos are interesting facts about cars with, again, a script, video, stock footage, and a voiceover. And according to their social play stats, they make up to $11,000 a month. The next profitable niche is the list niche. An example of a channel in this niche is Brain Time. List channels are very popular, and you can see they gain 30,000 subscribers a month and they have over 8 million views a month. And their Social Blade stats show they make up to $119,000 per month. So you can see these types of channels do very well. And I did want to mention that you can make money long before you get monetized, which again is when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can apply for the Google AdSense program, and advertisers pay Google to place ads on your videos, and then Google pays you. How you can do this is place links in the description of your videos to affiliate products, and then a certain percentage of people will check out the description and buy the product. And these are some examples of affiliate networks that you can get products from: ClickBank, Amazon, and Digistore24. But I have been very successful with this method and have made many autopilot sales this way on my channel. Okay, so these are niches to avoid because you're not going to get monetized, you're not going to make that much money. Meditation channel without a voiceover, it's very difficult to get monetized with just music. And so I would definitely avoid the meditation niche without doing a voiceover. And you may just want to pick another niche in general because it is very competitive. Also, don't use robot generated voiceovers. And another niche to avoid is compilations. So you see channels out there that are taking compilations of maybe TikTok videos, but that's something that you can get copyright strikes. And also, just because you see ads playing at the beginning of their videos doesn't mean that they're monetized. They might have gotten demonetized. And now YouTube can place ads on your videos even if you're not monetized. And another niche to stay away from is kids, because it's just not worth it and you can get demonetized or your channel shut down. Just stay away from making videos for children. You want your videos to be for teenagers or adults. Congratulations if you made it this far into the video. I can tell you're someone who really wants to change your life. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 10 more profitable YouTube channel ideas without ever showing your face. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.